Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Communication in English has become part and parcel of our lives. You cannot neglect it. To speak in an effective way, you should have the knowledge of an appropriate vocabs. I have been showing you various different and interesting ways to enhance your vocabs. In my previous 4 videos, you could see dialogues as well as phrases. Today we are going to learn vocabulary in a different way, and that is with the help of synonyms. So don't miss any video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First word, that is reach. Today in this session we are going to learn synonyms. So synonyms mean similar words. First, reach. So you can use wealthy, prosperous, successful, well-to-do, flourishing, privileged, advantage, blessed for this reach. So these are the synonyms for reach. Second word, that is look. Let's see synonyms or similar words. See, watch, view, observe, study, examine, check, gaze, scan, mark, focus, inspect, seen, appear, stare, fashion, style, trend, craze, mania, scrutinize, survey, consider, glimpse, spy, spot. All these are similar words of look. So you can use all these words for this look. Third word is glad. Happy, joyful, pleased, delighted, thrilled, overjoyed, cheerful, blissful, satisfied, thankful, grateful. So all these are the synonyms of glad. You can use any word to make your speech effective. Next, that is path. Road, track, train, walkway, lane, pavement, pave, route, plan, formula, approach, direction, method, system, scheme. All these are synonyms of path. Next, place. Put, set, location, site, spot, scene, position, point, space, venue. Next is fast. Quick, speedy, swift, rapid, brisk, express, hasty, hurried, flying, zippy, fleet. All these are similar words of fast. Shy, quiet, timid, bashful, fearful, insecure, nervous, reluctant, suspicious, chary, unconfident, coy, modest, meek, humble. So all these are synonyms of shy. So this way you can make use of these similar words to make your writing and speaking effective. Same way we are going to see expressive words. It means descriptive words. First of all, we will see really. So these are synonyms of really. Certainly, easily, honestly, truly, positively, undoubtedly, genuinely. So all these are synonyms of really. You can choose any from this. All have the same meaning. Next word, that is very. Decidedly, deeply, excessively, greatly, highly. Next, extremely. Really, remarkably, seriously, significantly, terribly, terrifically, thoroughly. So all these are synonyms of extremely. Next, that is normally. Commonly, generally, mainly, mostly, usually. So these are the synonyms of normal. You can use any word. All have the same meaning. That's why they are synonyms. Next word, that is quickly. All these are adverbs. Quickly. So swiftly, rapidly, speedily, hastily, briskly. Next, seriously, honestly, sincerely, truly, truthfully. Next word, kindly, graciously, lovingly, politely, tenderly. These are synonyms of kindly. Next word, finally, at last, at the end, eventually, ultimately. So all these are synonyms of finally. I am showing you and explaining you all these synonyms because this will help you a lot when you are appearing in IELTS exam. You should have this kind of vocabs so that you can express your thoughts effectively. Next word, that is only, just, merely, nothing but, purely, simply. Next, perfectly, absolutely, altogether, completely, entirely, fully, thoroughly, totally. Accidentally, next word. So these are the synonyms: by accident, by chance, incidentally, randomly, unexpectedly, and unintentionally. All these are the synonyms which will help you to make an effective sentences. This way, you should have a wide range of vocabs to get mastery over English language. So friends, see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing. See you soon.